I understand that's not in this quarter, but it does indicate the extent to which these blockbuster movies have become so important to the Walt Disney Company.
Yeah, and the one movie that will be in the quarter is Black Panther. You just look across the year, and Disney rules the box office almost every month. I mean, I was looking at some data last night. Disney has more grosses this year than Warner Brothers, Lionsgate, and I think it was Paramount, one other studio combined. And that's just one movie studio doing it. And it's really helped Disney at a time where its TV business has been a little bit soft, that the movie business keeps growing every year.
So Barton, as you look at these earnings that are coming out tomorrow, how prominent will the movies, the film part of the business be, as opposed to, for example, theme parks or television? Remember television? It used to be really important.
Right. I mean, the movies are great. I mean, that's really the best part of Disney right now. That and the theme parks are doing tremendous. I think what a lot of people are really going to be focused on, though, is what's happening with their over-the-top subscription rollout. And they've launched ESPN Plus, and I think we'll be keenly interested in early indications of consumer uptake of that service as kind of a harbinger of what could come next year when they launch their bigger Disney-branded OTT competitor to Netflix.
Well, and Paul, it strikes me that there's a little bit of pressure actually on Bob Iger because CBS announced their earnings last week, and I at least was surprised that the CBS over-the-top offerings figured so prominently in their earnings.
Exactly. So CBS had a very strong quarter. Even Viacom had a better than expected quarter here. So, but you're right. It's all about, from the operational side of Disney, what is the direct-to-consumer strategy? And as Barton mentioned, investors are going to be looking at what are some of the early signs for uptake on ESPN Plus, because this is the future of Disney. Bob Iger has already said the company needs to have a direct relationship with the consumers, much like Netflix does. The question is Disney too late?